As long as you don't get more than one, I'm alright.
In jump fence, man, tango.
Who tango?
Tango man, them say fence jump, you know.
How me jump fence?
And he gate up, and he
grab one back too. You grab one back too.
How me
Before you jump the fence, you grab one back.
Yeah, that's why I don't have to jump the fence.
Yeah, man.
I jump the fence.
Viewer subscribers, Popcaan, the unruly boss, and Mojo Morgan is at it again. And this time the G them link up and outside a whole of joy. And me not tell no lie, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look. You see Popcaan link up with the musical brother, Mojo Morgan, talk truth no people.
Chef. Coming at the chef man IDs.
Why? I'm a music chef.
Wow, you just ruined my video.
Cook in the studio, man.
Ruined my video with your nonsense.
You have to burn you off, that's a wise girl.
Loyal Royal, chef man ID.
Via subscribers, I'm not gonna lie, there is never a dull moment with Popcaan, the unruly boss. Anyway, the man turn up, it burn up. Yo, the man a build talk, set talk, and talk truth no man. The man no normal, no joke.
Here, checking in from my world, the unruly world. This is the Bushman chef. Coming
Bushman, the part. Which part is on him? Springfield?
Yeah.
Up there.
Yeah.
Me bonfire, better recruit.
The
The
Bushman.
Rasta and his sweet boy.
Bushman chef. Look at him. Tarzan, he think he's on the river.
See that beef, but I show them.
Oh my gosh. The beef. Bully beef. We used to eat that a lot. Bully beef and rat.
But here, food and
No, stop ruining my video.
Alright, sorry.
Jesus.
Via subscribers, but not tell a lie. Popcaan could have done a comedian still, you know. Talk truth no man. The G say, yo, stop ruining my video. Burn up.
We used to consume bully beef and rice a lot when we were kids. When it was yep. At the right thing you show we know. At the right thing you show we know, man. I'm not show you, man. Sure.
There have it, viewers and subscribers. That was Popcaan, the unruly boss, and Mojo Morgan linking up. And as you all can see, the boss them stay so boom and a burn up a pot and a go and hold a vibe. And we all know say Popcaan. Anyway, Popcaan there is never a dull moment. People you see the clip, it not normal, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. Talk truth no man. And me not even gonna talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Popcaan unruly fans them, all of the Mojo Morgan fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Popcaan and Mojo Morgan linking up. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cold, is a hit link up or it miss. Yeah man, I want to see all I fans them. I spam up the comment section and make me know how I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Suka, and I'm out.